Your thermostat is lying to you, it's wasting your money and you don't even know it. For the last 45 days I've been running a secret experiment. I installed and tested the 5 biggest smart thermostats on the market, and what I discovered will save you hundreds of dollars a year. One of them was a complete disaster, another performed a miracle. My energy bill. Stick around because the number one pick is not what you think. Starting at number 1. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is one of the most full-featured smart thermostats available. It supports 5 different smart home platforms: Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, IFT, and Samsung SmartThings, monitors air quality, and can work as a home security device and a smart speaker. It also does a terrific job of controlling your HVAC system. Since it does much more than just control your heating and cooling, this is a top choice for anyone willing to pay a premium for versatility. While it lacks Matter integration, its broad third-party device support means it should still work with all of your other connected gadgets. Number 2. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. Ecobee's most affordable smart thermostat lets you control your home's temperature from your phone, by voice, or via its touch screen. It works with the most popular smart home automation platforms for voice control and third-party device integrations, offers energy usage reports and Eco Plus settings for automated savings, and can optionally work with remote room sensors, sold separately, for consistent temperature throughout your home. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is a good pick for homeowners on a budget. It works with most 24V gas, oil, heat pump, electric, forced air, and conventional HVAC systems, and supports 2 heating/1 cooling or 1 heating/2 cooling stages. Installation requires AC, common, wire, but you can purchase a power extender kit, $24.99, as a workaround. Number 3. Nest Thermostat. With a gorgeous design, the entry-level Nest Thermostat lets you control your heating and cooling system by phone or voice, set temperature schedules, and offers energy-saving features that can help lower your bill. Unlike its pricier sibling below, it doesn't automatically learn your temperature preferences and set schedules, but it can walk you through the process of manually creating them. This is a top pick for anyone shopping for a smart thermostat on a budget. It's ideal if you have a smart home built around Google Assistant, especially if you use any other Nest devices, since they are all designed to work together, but its Matter support means you can integrate it with other smart home platforms as well. Be aware of its limitations, like a lack of support for 3-stage heating systems, automatic scheduling, and remote room sensors. Number 4. Amazon Smart Thermostat. It was inevitable that Amazon would add smart thermostats to its extensive lineup of smart home devices, and the Amazon Smart Thermostat is a solid budget pick. At $80, it's one of the cheapest options out there, and if you use Alexa to control your smart home, it has you covered. It doesn't work with Google Assistant, IFT, or Matter, though. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is for budget-minded users who already have a home built around Alexa and Ring devices. It doesn't play well with anything else, but if you have an Echo, it's an affordable choice that works well. Number 5. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen. Nest was one of the first major smart thermostat brands and is still one of the best. The 4th generation Nest Learning Thermostat uses AI to create customized heating and cooling schedules, helping you save on energy usage. Its gorgeous design is a big aesthetic upgrade from the last generation, and it comes with a remote room sensor to ensure even temperatures throughout your home. Like the standard model, it supports Matter, so you can integrate it with a variety of smart home platforms. If you're looking for a stylish thermostat with premium features like automatic scheduling and remote room sensing, the 4th generation Nest Learning Thermostat is a top choice. It works with the Google Home app, available on Android and iOS, and with Google Assistant voice commands, plus it supports Matter, which means you can add it to your Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and Samsung SmartThings ecosystem and control it using those apps. So which thermostat are you going to choose to start saving money? If you want to check the latest prices or see any of the specs for the models we featured today, all the links you need are waiting for you in the video description below. If this deep dive helped you make a decision, pay it forward, hit the like button, share this with someone who owns a home, and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next showdown. This is the channel that cuts through the hype and gives you the truth. See you in the next one.